Hello, I want to show you how you can invest in Binance account for Coin98. Start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Today I get news subscription in Launchpad, and that's great news for me, and I want now show you how you can investing in that place. I'm in a Binance account here now. Finance and Binance Earn, they're down in launch pool. Now, as you can see in here, we have Coin98 tokens offered 50 billion, C98 sale price 1C 0.0002 BNB. Another page, we have time just 3 hours. You should have BNB in your spot wallet like that me. Now I have here. Just you can invest 0.28 BNB. I want to choose commit now. BNB amount to commit. Once successfully commit, your BNB will be temporarily locked and will not be able to be redeemed until the final token distribution period. This is warning, and you should pay attention to this topic, at which point the remaining BNB will be automatically sent back to your spot wallet. Okay, submit now. Yeah, BNB successful commit. Yeah, in here your BNB locked right now in Earn. Alright, my investing in here, Coin98. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.